What's up, Myrtle Beach Travel Park? Welcome back to our virtual activity corner. Once again, today we are going to be making jellyfish. So first you're going to take your half of your paper plate and flip it over. Next, you are going to take your popsicle stick and take off that little piece of paper. It should have a glue dot on there, just like that. And then you're going to take your popsicle stick and put it in the center on the back of your plate. Just like that. Next, you're going to take your streamers and you're going to glue them to the back of your plate in whichever order you would like. Just like that. Next, you're going to flip it over and you're going to put your googly eyes on the front of your plate. Just like that. Make sure you take a picture and tag us on social media.